Good morning, retail traders. Today, this is a sneaky snake trading strategy. Subscribe and ring
TTMX.
that bell. I'm going to turn this scanner on mute. But I want to talk about Tesla today. But first, I'm going to have a sip of matcha. Love that stuff in the morning. So let's get to my buddy here, Elon. Got earnings coming out soon, and I did me a swing trade, called it out last week. The 115 strike for the 20th at 395, and today we have a little pop. I think the good catalyst today is the Alibaba with Jack Ma controlling Ant for just a momentum trade that will kind of help Tesla out a little bit. Plus, he lowered the prices of the cars in China to make them more available, to have like a little selling spree. To me, it's all about quality and then quantity. So I like the Tesla car. One day I will have one. Let's go ahead and look at the chart right now. We've definitely hit, a real low on Friday and had a nice little run on Tesla along with the market. Hit just above 100 bucks, 101.81 for a low. We've got a Darvis box that we need to break, and I think we're about ready to do it. This is on the daily time frame. It's got to bust past the 9 EMA. So we're going to draw in that little Darvis box right now. My friend Time set me up with its new strategy of finding my things faster, and I'm able to do that now. My tools, I don't have to go through a lot of rigmarole, but I think we're going to bring it up to the body of this here candle right here. That's where that wick lies, to the bottom of that box. And that's going to be the Darvis box that we got to break, and that's got to break that 9. If that can happen, we can easily run this back up to that resistance level that we had last week before the big sell-off, and that's right around the 123.68 area. So I'm going to go back up here again, hit the price level, and draw me a trend line right around. Let's see if we can magnify this up. I want to get it precise on that body of that candle. No higher than right there. Well, didn't do it. Well, now I have to go in here and do it. I thought I had it licked there. I'm going to precise it right there at 123. So that's the resistance we're going to take it to. We got 120 target. Let's pull up the 20-day 1 hour. Beautiful, right off that resistance line at 123. And that'll break the 200 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. So we got to use that also as a resistance level, the 200 SMA, because it could hit that and pull back out. But the top of the Darvis box, and I'm going to put that little line right in here, has got to be the resistance that we got to break today. And that's right there at 118.83. Support is going to lie down here off the 65, and that's right around 112.21. Inside that Darvis box, there's a little pivot point area right here, or a little support level, and I'm going to draw a trend line, price line right there at 114.48. And then that third support, or the second support, will be at that 112 area, and we'll go ahead and that's a moving average, so this thing can move around on you. And we've got the 51 EMA and the 65 there. Part of the sneaky snake trading strategy is using moving averages for support levels with the confirmation of a candle. And these bodies of these candles right here, right around that 111.91, 112, is definitely going to be a solid support if it decides to pull back and hold. So those are our two support levels, 111.71 and 114.48, with today's resistance to break out of the Darvis box at 118.83, long, a little under 122.97, hitting that 200 SMA, and that'll probably be my exit idea if I don't get out here at the top of the Darvis box at 118.83. So those are my catalysts. China, Baba, and Ant. Maybe give a little momentum to the China plays. Anytime we have an irrational breakout in the morning, expect a pullback, and then try to retrace that top. Everybody have a great day. Retail traders.